Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today we are doing another printable pass, and this is office kind of bedroom edition kind of thing. Basically I'm going to be looking at a headphone stand and a phone stand, and I'm going to print them all out and then hopefully be able to tell you whether it's worth printing out or not. Both printouts are coming from Thingiverse, and I will actually leave a link for them in the description. Anyway, before we get on, I would just like to thank Paul and David, my patrons. You guys rock, and because of that, I've been adding a lot more Patreon-only content onto Patreon. There's a lot behind-the-scenes stuff for you guys, and anyone else who would like to be a patron. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so the first thing we'll look at is this, which is the headphone stand. And we're going to take off the excess support material, if we can. God blimey. Okay, maybe I won't. Okay, that's not going to be helpful in the slightest. God. This is well and truly stuck. I have to make some more of these knives. They're so well. They work so well for everything I do. I did make a few of them, but I lost them. Getting the right tools for the right job. Funny thing is, this wasn't strictly necessary, this support material, but I was printing out a few other things, and I'd left support material on, and when I came to it, I thought, oh well, I'll just leave it, it's fine. I regret my life decisions. So nice when they come out all in one piece, and you don't have to fight every centimetre of your existence. Easy. I'm going to go and have a lie down now. Jeezy crazy. I was just thinking how I've never broken this knife. Genuinely, that's why I went off on one about talking about making another one. And look, I've just broken it. Well, there we go, that's a sign. Another video coming soon, making some more of these. How funny is that? Okay, God, this has lasted a long time. I would normally use my soldering iron to flatten out all these bits, but I'm not going to bother. Let's see if this fits. Perfect. Right, okay. Next, we need to put this bit on it. I'll do that in a sec. Now, this has support material here and here, but I'm just going to leave it. I don't think there's any point taking it out. Awesome. Right, a little bit of super glue in there and we're done. Right. Okay, I'm going to leave that to dry and we'll go on to the next bit. So this is the phone holder, and this is one of the more elaborate ones I've printed. So let's have a look. On everything I've printed recently, the screw fittings have been a little tight at first, but then have gone in absolutely perfectly. That's amazing how solid that is because of the little joiny bits, whatever they're called, the little notches, let's say, I don't know. Right. I didn't forget to print them out, you did. Okay, so continuing on. Oh, by the way, this is an extra piece, but it's because I don't know which way round I'm going to need to print it, or which way round I'm going to connect it. I still think it's insane. This was printed a while back. I printed these a couple of minutes ago, and they fit perfectly. It's just insane. Right. I was putting this on to make sure it fits because it's quite a tight fit, but it slipped on perfectly, so all good. Okay, there it is in its entirety. I don't know what this is for. I think this might be a 3D print I printed out before and it just got accidentally dropped in the box. So, these are our two 3D prints. Let's go and get them set up and installed. Okay, so there they are. Now this, I had to change the bit that I said about, which was handy. This isn't their final place, but I think it's good enough for now. But like, this works really well. This is really comfortable. I don't think it's going to cause any damage to the actual head bit. And then we've got this that is really solid. If you have a look, there's a little bit of wobble when you flick it, but the articulation's really, really good, and you've got a lot of movement. And it holds the phone perfectly. Yeah, the articulation's really good on this, and you've got a lot of movement, and this isn't, again, where it's going to be finally, but because of all the different joints, you've got quite a lot of choice about what you do, you know. And because of the actual linkable gaps, you know, the locking mechanism, you've got quite a lot of stability too. So it's really, really good. I'm actually really happy with both of these, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so there you go. I would actually recommend both of these items. The phone one I meant to say in the video but forgot is it would not allow a very, very big phone, so just bear that in mind. Smaller phones are better, but you know, not too small. But both of them are very, very good at what they need, what they're designed to do. The articulation on the phone one, I know I went on about it, but it's fantastic, you know, and it locks it fully in place. There's no movement when you've tightened it up, etc. But anyway, I would like to say thank you for watching to this point, and as a little thank you, there's a little bit of bonus content for you. See you next week. Bye for now.